Switzerland!
Okay, this is the oldest city in all of Switzerland. This city, you girls know how old it is? It's 5,000 years old, so it dates back to 3,000 years BC. So
and that means that some people could have walked on the street.
Yeah, some people 5,000 years ago might have walked on the same street. They might have built it up. So we're going to start at the train station and walk through this old town that way. And it's on a river, Rhine River. So, and then if our day permits, we might go all the way to the Rhine Falls. We shall see. So I'm just showing, this is the train station. You can see the backdrop has nice mountains all around it, mountains everywhere. And like every typical European village, cafes where people can just people watch and enjoy the old town sights. This, guys, they have like these drawings on the walls. I wonder how long that was there for, like how many years that painting has been there. It looks really old, but maybe probably only a couple hundred. Who knows? Sometimes things in these countries have been here for like thousands of years. Yeah, it's nice because it adds character to every city you go to, right? I really like that when they put art on the walls like that. So pretty. In most of Switzerland, I think I explained the languages in a different video, but they speak German in most of the country. But of course, when you're close to the Italian border, it's Italian. And then you got the French side, which is French. And in this area, they still speak what is the fourth national language, and that is Romansh. So I have no idea like how old it is or what it sounds like, but it is still a national language here in Switzerland. So it's German, like Swiss German here, and then some parts have this Romansh. Oh, it's like a traveling set for nail files and everything. That's nice. Do you have a magnifying glass?
What's a light lit?
A light version and then a full version.
The most expensive on this whole board is 85 bucks.
And what's included? So you get scissors. What's that little thing right there? Look at the bottom, this one. What is this? What's that thing?
What? This is to zoom in, like look closer. And that one I don't know.
Look what I found. There's some of the people that used to live here 5,000 years ago. You want to go meet them?
See, look at, instead of having like toothpick and they have a pen.
Okay, let's go check out this park that Daddy's talking about. See, here's another building with all these like decorations. Up there it says 1899. So in here is one of the most beautiful parks. Look at this. Almost looks like an English style park.
Trash cans are.
The trash cans. Yeah, they're baskets. What did you just discover?
Roses. Well, the lightest ones are here.
Yeah.
The darkest ones are over there.
So it starts with white and then yellow. And then what? Orangey reddish.
Purple. And red.
So they made them from light to dark. That's nice. At least it's good because then you can study which flowers are what if you speak German. Why do you like the town so much?
There's so many fabric shops.
Aha.
Oh, the sandals, gruesome.
Yeah. Oh wait, which way do we go? Right or left? Straight.
Main Street.
Let's go Main Square where the church is. Look at that clock tower there. The streets are and the overview of the old town. What's really cool in Switzerland is that a lot of these villages they get kind of like blocked off with like a mountain behind it, so you can't really like have all these cities that sprawl out like you do in America, which is kind of nice because it keeps the quaintness and the smallness of the towns.
What kind of castle
Here in
is
Switzerland.
this? Yesterday, where we stayed. Okay, so that little yellow dot, it's called, one second.
Simmerits, yeah, right
Right
there.
there, Simmerits.
Yeah.
So then we basically went up here. Make sure because yours is
There,
went
yeah.
up there, and then we went down this little path just to here.
Down. We like literally drove all the way over. We drove over these mountains.
All these.
All the way down to there, right? Into Davos.
Yeah, Davos. One
It's
sec.
a good perception.
Up here, right here, Davos.
You kind of see how it goes.
This area, it's this high.
Is that what we bought?
Yeah. I already tried it.
I actually tried a little bit in the menu. This is what it is. That's what the inside looks like. Yum, malicious. So we haven't quite figured it out. It's one of these cities that we've never really visited fully, so we don't understand it all. And we're not sure if this is the old town that was surrounded by the city gates or if where we just were was the old town. Like maybe one was the new old town or something like that. It's gonna pour on us, but look at this old door.
It's from 1966. That is unbelievable.
No, I think it's 17. Yeah, it's a 7.
I said 17. Oh.
All right, so we just found this little map here.
From the year 1500.
Okay, this dates back. This is what it was like in the 1500s. So what we're trying to figure out is when we just walked through here, what it was. But I think it was just kind of more of a court or something because it's all part of the old town.
We walked up these stairs and went in here.
Yeah, and then over here is the Rhine River coming down.
Actually, no, the Rhine River's over this way.
Oh, what's this one then?
There's two.
That's called Chur.
This isn't the Rhine River?
Nope.
Oh, gosh.
The Rhine River is what goes
But it's still in this town.
to Liechtenstein.
Is it still in this town, Dad?
Yeah, the Rhine River is over here.
There's two towns.
That's, okay,
Two
gotcha.
rivers in this.
Look what I found. This is like really neat. Well, this is something really cool too. They probably found all these objects from, what does it say? It looks like it says from 2000 before Christ. Isn't that wild?
Or like a skeleton
Found
head.
a skull and then just like fossils.
Why do they
whole
have to
bunch of
put
things.
that stuff on them?
The mask? Well, because they're dealing with ancient dead bodies. Look at this. Look at this.
Well, they could have diseases.
You see a lot of these kind of
What's
squares,
that
inner
tunnel
squares.
lead to? Hey, I found a shortcut.
No,
Me?
is it a shortcut?
I don't know. It goes down and around.
Should we go through?
Sure.
Let's go see. Oh yeah, it goes right through.
How
How cool is that?
That's super cool.
It's like all the ancient little streets, right?
Look at this one.
Now where are we?
This
This is another inner court. So all the little inner courts were all kind of connected like that.
Oh, look at this spot. Oh, look at this one's house.
So much fun to like play hide and go seek if you had like a parameter.
Yeah, like a pyramid that has so much little spots where you can go like, where you go in there, or you go in there, or you go in there, or you go in there. Like, when you run down there, the other person comes out.
Look girls, did you find more people who used to live here? Oh, they're playing in the fountain. Up there, it looks like some kind of ancient bucket or well or something. And then they have the emblem from 1538. Look at this in a distance, how cool it looks. It's just really, really, really neat. It has like an overpass in a distance over there.
Fill up the water bottle very quickly in that fountain.
Sure, go for it. Yeah, no, but okay, so whenever the sun hits the one thing and then it shadows the one area and so you can see what time it is. So last year we were...
So in this square here,
Yeah.
we came here for 1970s festival.
Yes.
So we were listening to music and everyone was dressed up as the 1970s.
It felt like we were in the movie Austin Powers, like everyone was like decked out and dressed up like funny. And then behind us where we're standing, they had this big stage and it was just like packed.